These carpets haven't been cleaned in years, and I really wish I took a before video because the results of this was actually amazing. I was surprised myself. Yeah, after the pre-treatment, carpets already looked a lot better. So now I'm going over with the CRB to scrub the shampoo in. Now you can see over here, like, look at the difference there just with the scrubbing and all that extra fluff. Like, the carpet's already vacuumed before and it's already picking up a lot more. So like all that deep stuff in the carpet's just getting pulled out. Actually, when I finished scrubbing the carpets, the customer came out and said, "Oh, have you already finished? It looks amazing." And I was like, "Oh, I haven't even started with the extraction process yet." So here I am extracting it. So basically with my truck mount machine, it's 100-degree water blasting out high pressure and extracting all those soils. You can see all those stains and gunk and everything just getting blasted away. Really satisfying, to be honest. But yeah, here we go, just doing a few more dry strokes to really get everything out. After I finished, it was like almost touch dry when I left. But yeah, here's some after pictures.